Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another coding every day until I get a job. This is the I hope the music isn't too loud, but hopefully it's not. Okay. I hope it's not too loud, but I guess that's fine as well. So I guess that's fine. Okay. Cool. I guess um I'm gonna try to finish this sign in and sign up page. Hopefully we can do that. I have no idea whether it's possible or not, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, enough setting. Let's get back to where we last left off. Okay, so the documentation from the Better Auth GitHub repo is probably, or like the example that they have is probably what I kind of want to mimic. Or it's either, I don't know, the Titan one is good, but the Better Auth one seems kind of more formal because it has some of the forms. And yeah, I guess I need to install some of the Shatsian forms, other components as well. So that's I guess what we want to do right now. Okay, cool. Now let's do I guess I'm still gonna use VS Code, I guess, for today. And npm run dev as usual. Okay, cool. Now why can't it be reached? Hello, welcome. Okay. Like all the other part is good. I guess just need to control the logic side of it. So yeah, we'll see how. Hello. Um, is it still lagging the stream? Okay, or hopefully not. Okay. So the one we have is that we have an auth card, which is the one that fills with the forms and everything. And inside the sign in, sign up, we just called in, we just have a diff with the auth card and like that. And I think what we want to have right now, no, not lagging. Okay, good. Hopefully, because it keeps on lagging since yesterday. A lot of people mentioned that. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. What can we change or add from here? I am doing fine. Hope everyone else is doing fine as well. Just still a bit confused on how should I structure this. How's the project going? Still. To set up auth.
Cold beer. But it tastes like shit.
So I guess what I should have is wait, yeah, let me just do this so it's just easier and not distracted. Okay.
Buset deh. Berlin hari apa ya? Sorry lagi.
Kenapa?
Hari apa ke Berlin?
Tanggal 12.
Itu hari apa?
Kamis kalau nggak salah.
Kamis Jumat berarti.
Oh.
Kalau Jumat Sabtu gue mau ikut.
Kan ininya hari Jumat ininya apa?
Terwin ya.
Terwin ya.
Gue bisa sih Kamis malam RE-an kalau gue ngegoblok ya. Ntar baliknya gue ikut naik mobil tapi Kamis sore gitu lah gue langsung naik RE bisa gue jalan-jalan tapi hari Kamisnya. Oh Jumat tuh berarti literally cuma embassy udah.
Paling dari embassy malam, misalnya sebelum balik ya mungkin kemana dulu?
Gue bisa ikut sih.
Ke sekitar.
Gue kan soalnya Kamis tuh kerja. Beres jam 2 mungkin gue bisa kayak RE-an 16 jam goblok ya. Gue mikir
Emang 16 jam?
16 jam Berlin. Kalau naik RE. Ada ketangkasan gue. Mobil berapa? Bayar kira-kira?
Berapa ya waktu itu? Lupa ada listnya di grup.
Kalau baliknya kan gue bisa naik mobil. Wah, dikit banget dah yang pasta ini. Minggu depan ya berarti? Apa 2 minggu lagi ya?
2 minggu lagi.
Menarik sih uji ketangkasan yang pengen lihat ini.
Okay, so what we need to make is create a sign in form and a sign up form. But I guess before that, we need to get the form chassis and like that. Well, hello. Welcome.
Tapi mobilnya cukup kalau gue nambah 1 lagi. Kalau misalnya gue jadi ikut baliknya.
Harusnya sih cukup ya, cuman
Gue gak bawa tas gede, gue bawa.
ya nanti harusnya sih cukup.
Isi
Cuman
berapa
paling
sih? Berlima kan?
Cuman ya paling ya nanti agak dempet-dempet
Emang
aja.
berapa?
4.
Ayo udah tambah 1 cukup. Gue gak bawa koper. Gue literally seragam pulang kerja.
Okay, why isn't it not? Forms? Is there no forms? Is it Red Hook forms? No. Okay, maybe no need for that. Maybe what we need is the label and the input. So that's what we want. Label input as well as what else? Button. Yeah, label input and toes. Okay. Goldie. Label and input. So how do we install it? Chassis add input. So we're gonna do that and that, and then that. There we go. After input, I think we need label as well. Label. Is it this one or is it something else? Okay.
ada rundown-nya nggak? Mau ngapainnya aja gitu.
Enggak, belum ada.
Tapi dari Berlin kira-kira paling telat jam berapa balik?
Balik ke sini.
Ah,
Paling sore.
sore malam gitu.
Mm. Karena ke embassy-nya jam 9.
Ah,
Jam 10 pagi kayak
berangkat dari sini kalian jam? Agak siangan.
tanggal 12 ya. Nah, itu belum tahu tuh.
Hah? Udah booking kan tadi?
Udah. Goldie? Is it? Okay. That's done. Yes. Now we need to transfer the form. Huh, but then the auth card should be. Oh, okay. I know. I need to structure the auth card similar to this, where it's I don't know if it will work or not, but like this sign in or sign up page, like okay. Ah, okay. Okay, how can we structure this better? Okay, I'm gonna ask the AI for it, but we'll see how that goes, okay? Die deutsche Sprache ist ein Kulturerbe. So gültig. Findest du auch, dass die deutsche Sprache ein Kulturerbe? Kulturerbe? Was ist Kulturerbe? Ah. Cultural heritage? So. Creative Dreamer. I want to use the VS Code for now, but I'm gonna switch around between that and Vim, so. So it's a little bit of both, yes. Ah, it has heritage in the culture. So. So we need to have the label from components UI label, right? Yes, kinda, sort of. It's just going to be email. HTML for email. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We have Flying Duck, Creative Dreamers, Hitakids, and Ukiden. Hello. Hopefully everyone's Sunday is good. Oh shit, I forgot. Okay. Let's put them in a fragment. Save it. Focus on the channel. Oh, really? What did you stream? I want to go to your channel. Learning Go until I graduate. How is the progress so far? How is the Go learning so far, Mr. Ukiden? Oopsie, that's not what I meant. We should just put an empty event first, I guess. Wait. I want to put an empty event first, where it's going to be value is email. Nice. Okay. Let's put in the structure first. Okay. I don't know if this is correct or not. We need to set up a few use states. So this is going to be use client. User can react, correct. And then we create a const email set email, and then I think we just need const password. Const password set password, correct. Just to state for this because it's only for that. But the tier out, I'm a Filipino, is congratulations with Indonesia. Like everybody is PHP except me, of course. Oh my god, yes. In Indonesia, PHP is still very popular. So very popular too. I think that dubstep is not your favorite genre. I think you're more like lo-fi chill music, so how I think. I mean, I don't mind listening to dubstep while working out, I guess, depending on the mood and the situation. I don't mind listening to dubstep, but maybe while working out or exercising. Okay, we need that. We need that, as well as. Class namespace Y1. That is for that.
Oh, 8 jam doang.
And
kok,
everyone
Benny.
is a space Y1. Okay. Huh, okay. That should be interesting. Let's just play it out all the other
Oke. Gue.
file first.
Masih dong. Kelewat.
Default password input is the same. Identifier expected. Yeah, correct. What's a I think we need a start loading as well. Or do I need a confirm password? I don't know. Hallo, wie geht's? 808 bass and adversary sound. Hello. Hello, Aina. An atmosphere sound. Like wait. I want to see what is the auto complete result found. Okay, it's in the input, by the way, so why is it not here? Okay. Oh, so it's like a predefined already? Okay.
Swag. Ada apa anjing malam-malam?
Thank you. Ein schönes Sonntag für dich auch. Okay, I'm not sure if this is correct, but I hope it is. Do we already have to set the email setup? Okay, yeah, we do already have to set the email. Warte. E dot, okay, what is it? Oh, okay, I forgot. E is not there because I didn't have it. Now for this. E set password. Thank you, Copilot, to make it easier. ID type value on change placeholder. Okay, maybe for email it doesn't have an autocomplete, and then I think a confirm password is a good practice, right? It's a good practice. Okay. Confirm. Okay. The data trained is definitely the same, but of course. Is it not required? Confirm password. It should be required. Okay. No need profile image. No, we just need to add the button, I guess. Okay. Cool. And then a set loading, I believe. And then, yeah, adding a loader. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So first we need to have a const loading, set loading. And then I think we need to import the loader to from Lucid React. And then we shall, do we need to make the function here, or we can make, okay, we can make it later. Let's, and we can customize it later. Then we need, okay, we need a over here. So we could close that. We can close, I think we can close this here. We can close an app bar, but we can. It's just to close this part. Okay, that's all I need. So for this, would that work? Or, you know what, let's give it like a try. This space y1 is for the email only. So there we go. And then after this, we should have. Okay, it doesn't work, but this is closing. This is closing div. So it's password. It's just that I need to have. I want to make it similar to this auth card, but then this auth card going to have how do you call it? Like a oh my god, isn't it a bit of prop drilling, I guess? Okay, we'll see how that goes. Let's see if my idea works first. I'm not entirely sure it will, but that's part of learning, I guess. So the one inside the justify between is just the label? Yeah.
Ramsel 18, Greenau 26.
And we need to sign up for again because don't know how to do this properly. This is for this. Now what we need to do is have the other relative div. Okay, that would make it a bit difficult, but do I need a confirm password? I don't think I'm gonna set up the confirm password anyways. You know what? It's fine. And for like the confirm password, we can delete that. Div space, and then inside of the this div, item center. Is it correct? Space, and then we have this item center. We have the label, which we're going to customize later below this div, but it's the okay. It's this div which has another input, but it's relative, which we have another input. Oh, we need the show password as well, right? Okay. You need to create a yeah. So okay, so we're just gonna copy password type value password on change. And we can just post this. It's basically this one. Yeah, sorry. That's that. And then. I just realized I actually don't need to separate them. I could just make the... Okay. You know what? No, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Hello. I want to try to make a sign up and sign in page. Yeah, I guess on second thought, I don't need it to be like this. I just need to update the... Huh. I'm so stupid. Okay. Okay. No, it's okay because the button function would be different on both. Because yeah, okay, I understand. Yeah, okay, I understand it. Hopefully. Okay.
free from desire. La, 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 la.
Okay, I'm gonna ask for some help here, cause okay. I want to have the auth card. Conan, but I want it to be able to render whether it's a sign up or sign in form. So sorry, I'm gonna need to ask first, 'cause I'm getting lost here. Yes, this is still trying to. Yes, yes. Yes, because I want to move from one. Okay, let's see. Let's see if okay. So basically, what I want is just that the auth card could be conditionally rendered between the sign in and sign up form, because the sign in would call a different function from the auth client, and the sign up would call a different one. So yeah, but I still want to use the auth card, and I want to have this form with the label and input component. So yeah, I don't know if maybe the AI could done it better than me. So okay, hi, I'm in a position. I want to have auth card, but with the forms of sign up forms. With the updated label and input chatCN from. But I want it to be able to then render whether it's a sign up or sign in forms, so that the function to the auth. Okay, wait. To the, so it calls the, in the button, in the type submit, in the on click one. So it's here. So here we go. Signup.email. Signup.email is from auth.client. to call the auth-client is correct on sign in or sign out forms. I don't know if I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if Sonnet could do it better than me. So I guess I'm just confusing myself. But yeah. Well, that's not good. Okay.
Hmm.
I don't know if this will work or not. I mean, what I could do is conditionally render the button with a class name of hidden if the mode is sign in or sign up. I think I could do that. That could. Hmm. Okay. I mean, like, yeah, we could do that. Yeah, actually, no. Yeah. That's actually possible. Yeah, I'll form props. Based on sign problem, they can handle both sign and sign logic, including calling the correct offline function. Okay, let's see if this is what I meant. The components will contain the email and password fields and the main submission button. It will take a props to determine its mode, sign in or sign out, handle form submission, and reflect loading states. I'll assure you we'll modify your existing sign-up forms to become this auth form. If you prefer to create a new file in the same directory, you can do that, and adjust the import path later. This auth form will use an input and label, and will include the gradient button styling previously in auth card. You can rename the function to auth form if you prefer, or if you're okay. I guess auth form is fine, more general rather than auth sign up form because it's for both. On submit. What is the on submit? To remove incidental form fields instead use auth form component, will manage the loading and error states and pass the correct submission handler to auth form. Okay. I think this is what I meant correctly, but we'll see. Handle auth submit. Email password string. Set loading is true, set error, sign in. If mode is sign in, else sign off. Order to push. Handle social sign in. Yeah, although I haven't checked that out, but it's fine, I guess. And sign up methods. Okay, the connect to Google or GitHub is not correct yet, but the email and password should work. Handles local state for email. Okay, calls on subsequent program is such a form is submitted. The first submitted to the text attribute for the password field change based on the mode. Components original. Manages is loading. Define handle auth, which calls the appropriate auth client method sign in password or sign up. Yes, although I think that part I'm going to need to change it because in the sign in is let's see. Is this a sign in? No. This is the sign in page. I need the sign in component because I think for the sign in it's just using sign in. In the on click is saying a sign in email password. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try to do that. Sorry. Auth form. Okay, let's change this to auth form. It's going to have and then button and then Shuxiang, did you get a job? Not yet. Still applying almost every day. I'm gonna need to have some AI help on this one, so I do apologize. Oh, okay. Hello, hello, hello. Miss Moderator, hopefully you'll have a wonderful day. Interfact. Auth form props. Hello. Okay. Okay, let's see if this is already correct. We have to set email password, system password. Loading is taken from the auth card. I have T. More? Okay. prevent default is to, I think, to prevent the page for restarting, if I'm not mistaken. And this is to like for the not that big C. What project coding? I need to see. Okay, one moment. Yeah, I already run it, but here I basically want to try to make this work. As of right now, the sign in and sign up page is just probably. Thank you. So basically, yeah, this page, the sign in and sign up, the look of it, it's already done. It's just not connected to the backend yet. And this is what I want to do today. For the Google and GitHub, it's not configured yet. So probably right now, I just want to test it with the email and password. So yeah. I guess we don't need that, but what we need is a form. Do I need a form? Well, you know what? It's fine. Before you freaked out, calm down. Submit. This is for email, space one label. Okay, this is all is already correct. Which is after required. Disabled is when it's loading. With the same class name, of course. I think it's able to grab it. Oh, yeah, that is awesome, by the way. Is project profitable? Hopefully. Going to need a few user. A lot of what do you call it? Like a lot, but going to need a lot of visitors. Okay, that works right now. Now is for the password. It's relative password show password value set password. It's really correct. Now let's say to be disabled is loading. Should be the same, right? Yes. Thank you, Copilot. That is awesome, by the way. Size. SM. Class name is, let's just copy this. And we can just delete that. Sorry, I should have been using Vim, but there we go. That is correct. Now submit button. There we go. Type submit. disable this loading. Class name is supposed to be this one, so we can copy that. I already have the disabled. What is it? It's a self-closing component. I have a class name of margin right of 2. Size of 4 and animate dot spit in. Cool. Oh wow, I didn't know you could do that. No, that is okay, I think. Okay, now you just need to change the auth card. Just want it to be the same. Why is it not working? What? Let's import use router from next navigation, I believe. It is from next navigation. Cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we have email password and then that's it. Isn't that how we should sign in? Wait, wasn't er, so okay, wait. Just is it directly from okay, this is sign up, this is sign in. Oh wait, sign in dot email and that's it? How do you set up the auth dot client? Okay, sign in, sign okay, I forgot to export this right here. Okay, that's why it's not recognizing it. Okay, is it correct though? Okay, wait. Let's close that, let's do that. So it's just going to be C, I guess. And then we need to export. Okay, cool. Is it still error? Or I guess what I could do is just man, this is hard. Or is it in the sign in button? Session. Get session. Just to sign in, right? Forgot password. A single inside an email loading spinner. Okay. Sign in social provider callback URL. Do I need a callback URL for this or just no? Okay, I guess the suggestion from this is a bit outdated. All I need is just a wait, sign in, not email. the import, I guess. I should import sign in from adlib.ok. That should fix it, no? Show password. Okay, we're gonna change that. Okay, yeah. This is okay. Okay, this is right. Okay, that's correct. I just need to maybe update the function so that this uses the sign in with email. If sign in error. For programmers with 3 to 5 years experience here. 3 to 5 years is around 2000, yeah, less than 2000. Is it remote or is it in China? I mean, I don't really mind. It's just would the language be an issue? Is it remote or because I mean, if it's remote, I really don't mind. Although my experience is maybe currently less professionally, less than 1 year. I don't know if this is a proper error handling, but I guess we can try it. Are doing very poorly. Is it because the trade war with the China, sorry, with the US thing, or is it a different kind of issue that I don't know yet? Yeah, I guess yeah, it's going to be quite difficult because I'm currently in Germany, small or middle company. Okay. How do we do the sign up from here? Is it the same sign up that email as well? Huh, okay. The better authority actually already have some error handling, but okay. I'm gonna try to follow this first. Router.push on success fetch options. Yeah, I mean this is actually quite okay where they have some of these. Identifier expected. What type of identifier do I need? Sign up. Oh, also sign up with email. Okay, sorry. Sign up. Let's go email. They usually play with Vue, I think, but I'm working on C++ and Windows driver. Oh, that's awesome. It's cool. It's awesome. C++ and Windows driver. Vue. I read a lot of good thing about Vue, but I guess I've already stuck with React. But it's fine. Do I need to have those thing though? The one on the docks? Like, damn. Okay. Oh no, I think I need name. Yeah, I still need name and everything. Do I need it? So no, not email. Get started. Installation, basic usage, sign up. Okay, I guess in the sign up form, I still going to need them to ask for name, as well as images, which is optional. To direct after email. Okay. Okay, so that means we still need to do it like this way. Okay, cool. So yeah, we don't need to do it like this actually. Oh, okay, for the name, I think we can use, okay, I think I have an idea on what to use for the name. Can it be, for the name is, I'm gonna ask the, oh yeah. Email split, use email prefix. Yeah, that's what I want. Cool, that's, oh my god. That's awesome. And then I think we need images. Just keep it to null as of right now. Callback URL to go to. Oh wow, it's actually okay. Okay, this is gonna be, it's gonna be annoying. Gotta have toes from Stoner, if I'm not mistaken. Is it this sonar? Or is it a different type of sonar? Let's check the package.json. Okay, so it's a sonar from I think this is from this, like toes. Okay, it's sonar. Okay, let's just install it then. Let's shut off the development server for now, and then let's go back here and here and here. We'll see how that will go. The sign up component. I can always take image of this. Let's just do undefined, I guess, because the now I think we just need to change all of this into the proper auth form. Okay, I think, is this correct? Catch or final expected. Oh shit, I forgot the try catch. Yeah, sorry. So we remove this. Now we just need to have the catch over here. Okay, I think for the sign in with the provider, I could comment it for now because it's gonna be a work in progress. Yeah, it's basically a to do, correct. Now we just need to remove all the form right over here with the card content. Yes. Do we have to see triac? Seems like we do. Okay, cool. But we want to remove all of this. Now it's just the card content. Max WD full border and remove the form and direct. Yeah, because we want to use the auth form right over here. Okay, that is awesome. Now we just need to have an error. This is still the same, so I'm just gonna copy paste it until here. See if there's any error. Yes, there is. We can just do that, and I think it should not be error first because it's just removing the logic. Now we would have a card footer. Class name of padding 0. We have a class name of text center text grade 500 level full. If it's a sign in, hello, how are you doing? Oppose. Hello, hello. How is it? Should be correct, right? Yeah. There we go. Nice. Now we just need to make sure that it's working, I guess. Okay, I think this should work as I intended. Let's run the development server again. See if this is working. Or see if there is any error. Because from my understanding, it's supposed to be work. Okay, the styling and everything are still the same. Let's go to sign in. Get sign in. It's supposed to still be the same. Yeah. Let's see if... okay, that still does not work properly for some reason, but I guess this is how it is. Let's do... Whoa, do we set up anything error? Here. Please fill out test. gmail.com test 1 2 3. Let's make it responsive. Sign in failed. Where is this text sign in failed? Oh, it's in the auth card. Okay. Data is declared, but the value is never read. Data is declared, but the value is never read. What is data then? The error is that data is never used. Let's see, how do they use the sign in? I think it's working. It's an error because is it a sync function? Yes, it is a sync function. Await sign in, and that I don't think we need the data because. But do we get the form data? How do we check? What if we sign up? What if we sign up? It's error because I do not have that, right? But that means I need a better error handling. Like, okay, let's create an account. Never. Let's try with test. Test 1 2 3. Show, hide, create account. Okay. Why is it not redirecting? Why is it not redirecting it? Okay. There is no toast as well. There's no toast. There's no error message. There's no nothing. This is... Okay, let's try. Test. Test 1 2 3. I'm gonna check the database to see if it works or not. SQL is you. Okay, this is bad. I don't understand whether or not it works or not. Auth card TSX. Auth card TSX 35. Is it still empty and it's not working, or Okay, so I guess for the sign in, I also need a callback URL inside of these functions. But okay, that's my bad. I should have read it. I should have read the docs better. Hello. Oh my god. So it's just going to be const data and error. So where do I get the data again? Wait, no, actually this is already correct. Error and data. It just needs okay. Okay. I've been using a tool called Context 7, which is supposed to help the LLM talks to the latest documentation so that they would know better. But I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I can help you refactor the function component for better error handling, utilizing Toast notification more consistently and ensuring the local error state is updated for display within the component. For default auth card. Okay. Mode is sign in. It's like the default, I guess. It's the default state. Okay. Const handle submit is the same. Do I need to add anything to this? No, this is the same, right? If mode is sign in, const message, const error, data await sign in dot email. Okay, that's already correct. If sign in error, okay, I guess this is nice. Your credentials, set error. Else, which is, yeah, I think we should edit here. Sign up, cons error, sign up error, data equals await sign up email, password, name is, yeah, consider making a name configurable or, yeah, okay, you know what? For this time, I'm just gonna make the name split from the email, provide a default image URL. I think let's create a, what should be the default image? Yeah, okay, you know what? Let's add a to do here. No, I just use proper image. Use placeholder or default avatar. Yeah. Callback URL. Okay. The thing is, we also have some other parameters for this, like we do have. Oh, that's callback URL is okay. It does have a callback URL as well. And remember the user session after the browser is state default is true. Callbacks. Okay. Where do we use the data? Server side auth. Okay. Maybe I haven't tried. I think I haven't made this one yet. So okay, let's set it up that later. And let's see. On Google. Can I not use it? Is it optional, or do I have to use the on response and on request? For the sign up, that means that is. Oops, sorry. So on response and on request already set it. Okay, let's try to do that. I hope it doesn't have any error. Okay, cool. Okay, it's optional, right? Okay, it's optional. Yes. Okay, on error, let's do toast error. Why is it wrong? Set error. On success, it's just okay. I guess I forgot to put this, but okay. Ensure this if block handles cases where sign up the email promise resolve or within an error object, and if fetch options that error might not have been defined or didn't cover the associated error, this is more of a safeguard. Only toast if it's a new or different error message than one potentially set by fetch options. I want to read it one by one. Make sure at least I understand a little bit. Okay. Okay. Let's see if there's any difference now, because I didn't see anything in the database. So I'm not sure if it even worked. So I guess it's not able to create it. I guess it's either I haven't configured something, or have I enabled it in the auth or TS? I did. Okay. Email wasn't enabled is true. Okay. I also, what's the purpose of learning if you copy the whole file? Yeah, I mean, it's a bit of, I mean, I'm still trying to learn how it is, because even though I already put the context 7, use context 7, it doesn't really, I'm not sure if it uses the up to the latest documentation or not, or is it the, or I forgot to configure something, because if I remember, I have installed it, I have created the environment, I have already connected to the database, because when I generate the schema for the, yeah, the one generated by this, it works. I already put the email and password because that's what we want to do right now. I already set up the mount handler, and the client instance is done as well. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is what I forgot to do. There we go. Specific. Is that the one that I this is where I did wrong. Okay, I guess this is why I did wrong. Create auth client. Wait. Am I reading this correctly, or am I just import create export cons auth client equals create auth client? Is it because I use... No, but this is what the I'm confused, man. Okay, I set it up this. I don't mind auto sign in, so that's good. For to authenticate a user on the server, you can use the auth API method. To the better. Okay, let's see how. Is there any server here? Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's see. Dude, is it in the lib or the auth email resend? Okay, we don't have that yet. Where does the where is the server side? Client or auth. Okay, this is a different one, not this one. API auth. Oh, is it here? No, it's just this one. It's done. Okay, is it? What did I do wrong? Should I try it again? Is it because I didn't configure it properly? Ah, okay. This is the password is so stupid. So stupid. Okay, wait. Let's try to do it again. I didn't read it. The password is too short. It's. Always check your logs, guys. Always check your fucking logs. Please make this work. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about that? Okay, this is why I need the validation and Zod and everything. Okay. I'll do that tomorrow once this works. Okay. Let's check the console or network. I don't know. Adapter. TV drizzle. I have the user table here. What do you mean? Oh, okay. What is this? Better auth? The model user was not found in the schema object. It's here. What do you mean? Okay. Please pass the schema directly to the adapter. Wait. I think. Wait. I think. Wait.
They say better off going to skip that part, and now we have our authentication methods. Creating a new folder, so we need API, auth, then like this, all.
Drizzle adapter. I already have the drizzle adapter, right? Drizzle adapter. Better auth adapter drizzle. Import the scheme. Yes, I think I forgot to import the scheme into here. Oh my god.
And inside route.
Do you Terra Finale? Do you know where should I put the schema? Is it in auth or is it in drizzle?
Everything from we need. So and we are also copy pasting. This one is the base URL. This is probably the best to create it inside the environment file, and now we are basically ready to use our authentication client. So what are here? .ts port, not our. And now we are going to create just like this a sign in function. So here we are going to await for our auth.api sign in email, and inside of our body we are going to put in the email and password. We are just hard coding it. We would here probably send parameters if we were not hard coding the same, except the and use it in it from Next.js. We're going to call sign in and sign up inside of our buttons. Let's just put in some flex column like this. So we have our sign in and sign up. See that we have some issues, so let's see what's the problem. The model user was not found.
Oh my god, see, it's the same issue. Oh my god.
I had this problem before, and what is basically happening is that our better auth doesn't know what kind of schema are we using.
Yeah, I need to import the schema here. That's why I remember I need to. Oh my god. Okay.
Inside of our database, it shouldn't be here. It should actually be here. And from our schema, there is a better solution. We can just export our schema like this. It should actually be here. And from our schema, there is a better solution. We can just export our schema.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I remember watching this and like, oh my god, I have the same issue. Okay. Sorry. I think if this works, I'm gonna finish. I'm done for today. This is stupid. Inner server. Is it this one or is it user session account verification?
Schema like this, and here we can just import it.
Auth.ts. Is it this one? Is the server? I mean, which one is this? I'm so confused. Okay.
From our DB schema.
So, okay, auth.ts. In the auth.ts, wir müssen dieses Schema Does that work?
And now we can try again. So here I'm refreshing the screen, I'm clearing the network tab and clicking sign up again. And let's see the post. There it is, 200. Awesome. We can now go to our Neon console, and here in our users table, here we should get, yeah, there it is. Name orgdev, email orgdev at test.com, and email verified false. Okay.
Is this correct? Okay, let's try it. 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 I'm just gonna open this one on this side just to see if I made a mistake again or not. Okay, this I'm gonna fix the CSS on this. Okay, sorry. Calm down. What? What the fuck? What the fuck is it? You know what? Wait, do I have anything unsaved? No, everything is saved. Okay. And then I do not, okay. We don't have any issue. No TypeScript issue, no nothing, no problem. Okay, so what is the fucking issue now? Is it working? Please. Please make it work. Please. Okay. 200. Good. We need more 200. Test. Let's do test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Show. How do I check it? How do I know if it works? What? Why I couldn't see the table? God damn it. Okay, wait. How do I get... Why couldn't I see? Okay, how do I... How do I see the table? Why couldn't I see it? How do I see it? Do I need to restart this? Yes. Okay, let's try to do it again. SQL -u -h localhost. Wait, I forgot the command. God damn it. Okay. PSQL dash select from schema name with user. Okay. Let's try to the wait. Let me reconnect to the database. Username at localhost. Okay. Well. Then use Postman. Okay. That's actually true. Wait, what? Wait. I need to check something. Wait. 1 second. I don't know. Okay. I haven't set up the logout yet. So I don't know if it worked DB testing. Why is it not working? Huh. What? Huh? Why is it empty? Did it just delete my database? What? Because if you resolve to... Okay, wait. Don't have any routes from it. No, not yet. I haven't configured that yet. Because if you resolve to like that, it probably takes you a lot of time. Why not use get endpoint? True. Let's do that. Okay. Just to check, right? Just to check. Should I? Oh, okay. Wait. I just want, because I want to check, right? But I don't know why is it not working. Oh, wait, wait, wait. No, wait. I forgot. We have a. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot. I have the drizzle. The drizzle. I forgot. Oh yes, thank you guys. I just remember. I just forgot. I'm excited but scared at the same time, whether or not it's correct. It's Drizzle Studio. What's the Do I set it up in the Sorry, I'm freaking out, guys. Sorry. NPX. Okay. Wait, I mean, how do you use to use Drizzle Studio? Drizzle Kit / Studio. Okay, fuck. This is NPX. Because if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to see it here. Okay, yeah, it works. It works. We have the test email, created ad, updated ad, the accounts, and the session. Although, yeah, of course, the password is hashed, right? Yes. Skill console, select from. Oh, because it's not user. Credential, user ID. Access token expired. Okay, but it is here, the account. Oh my god, I feel so terrible. Not really. I'm just. This took me a week to make to work. I. Oh my god. Okay, sign up is done. I just need to make sure the sign in and the other one works. But I guess I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. Oh my god, this took me 2 hours to. Okay, this is bad, by the way. This is bad. This is embarrassing. Now it's not even running. Thanks, guys. Oh my god. Okay. I think tomorrow. Maybe that's the reason I don't use SQL. Okay. Why? Why don't you use SQL? What's wrong with SQL? I couldn't open it in Chrome, but I could open it in arc, so I don't know why. They're supposed to be able to run the same. Okay, but that's cool. Probably gonna fade out after this. Oh my god, I'm only configuring a sign up, man. It's not even log sign out. It's like using the sessions, things like that. So, oh my god, that's terrible. Okay, you know what? Before I forgot everything, I'm just gonna set up like MongoDB. Ah, okay. I guess I think we should commit it. There we go. Do I need to save anything? No. Okay, cool. Let's commit that so that we don't do anything stupid and forgot that it worked. Although, I don't know about the session and everything. It's gonna come in later, I guess, but okay. Therefore, it's gonna be conditionally rendered. If the user sign in, this is gonna turn into like a profile page, I think. Yeah, okay. But okay. Thank you, everyone. I think that's it for today. We set up sign up and it works, but that's it. I feel so bad, but okay. Oh my god. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope everyone have a great Sunday and a nice week ahead, because next week I have my thesis defense. So I don't know if I could no, I think I can still stream, but I mean, I can still stream, but maybe after my thesis defense, because I haven't prepared much. I have prepared some stuff, but it's not complete yet. So wish me luck, and I appreciate. Oh. I am grateful for everyone. Thank you for the help. So sorry. Okay, sorry. Let's. Congratulations. Hopefully I can get it done this week. Commenting on your code helps when revising. Okay, I will do that before committing. Or I guess let's just do. I wrote this down, so I hope I don't forget stuff, but sign up is done, sign in are not yet. So that's a problem for tomorrow. Erdy's problem for tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching and hearing me yap and frustrated over a supposedly simple issue. But yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.